your boy Camera Guy Cliff coming at you with another video. That joint just is it. I like it. But we back at we back at you with another video. And we got some barbecue chicken with some barbecue fish and some yams and macaroni. But I want you guys to be prepared for this transition into this new way of living that we about to get ready to start. I want you guys to be on your best behavior. Always think about what you're doing before you do it, because it's affecting your life in some way, some shape or form, whether it's positive or negative. You gotta think about how it's gonna affect you and what's best for you. So always think about that before you just jump into doing something. But with that being said, keep your distance. But here we go. About to go ahead and sauce up the food, the meat, the fish and stuff. Had a little piece of fish earlier when it was on the grill, and that junk was fire. So that's why we sitting here making the video right now. Put a little hot sauce on it. Got a little. Oh, shout out to the missus, Stank. She making these little cups here, and they got the Cliff on there, Big C, a little bit of wine there. But that ain't why we here though. We ain't here for that. Not at the drinking, that is. Please forgive me for that one. I want to have a moment of silence, you guys, because God just spanked my hand for taking that bite of food. By your heads. There we go. Okay, first and foremost, if you don't hit that sub button, you will never qualify to win the $50 giveaway for Xbox 360 or Xbox One. Or if you got a PlayStation 4, you get $50 as well. It's going to be 2 winners, but you got to hit that sub button in order to qualify to win. So if you don't hit that sub button, you will never be a winner. You will be sitting over there in the loser section wondering when Camera Guy Cliff is going to upload another video. You don't want to do that, do you? Do you? All right, now. Let's eat this food. Macaroni good. Yams could cook a little longer. They good, though. That fish something nice. Something nice. Put your hand out. That chicken is truth too. That chicken was marinated for like 30-something hours, man. might as well say 48 hours. That shit was marinated for 48 hours for sure. My ear itch. If you don't hit that sub button, you can't qualify. I bit that chicken, forgot about the fish. I don't know which one the best. That house was hot. God damn it. God darn you. Pretty good. No, I said that already. I'm pretty quiet because I'm pretty tired. And hungry. I don't know where I put the napkin. Oh. By the way, I'm using the pen because the plate was too small. But that's it, folks. I'm out of here, you guys. Hope you all having a blessed night. Stay safe, stay positive, and stay out the way. Until next time, you guys. Peace.